Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Amy, and welcome to Story Time. Let's start with our song. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We clap and sing hello. Then we tap and sing hello. We tap and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We tap and sing hello. Then we wave and say hello. We wave and say hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and say hello. All right, let's use our fingers to do a very, very favorite song of ours, the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are we ready? So, thumb to pinky, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Good job. Let's do that one more time. We ready? So thumb and pinky finger. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Good job, everybody. All right, let's jump into our first book. Thought we'd read books about farm animals first. So, see these little ducks here. What sound does a duck make? Right, quack, quack, quack. So horses like to run fast and play in the field. What sound does a horse make? Neigh. Good job. Ooh, cows like to take it slow. They can rest standing up or lying down. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Good job. Oh, goats. Goats are so nosy. They just want to know what's going on. What do they sound like? Meh, meh. You're right. Up, and there's our friend the duck. Ducks like to waddle, and sometimes they follow each other in a row. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack, quack. Let's count the ducks on this page. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more makes 10. Can you show me 10 on your hands? All right, let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's see who else is at the farm today. Ooh, chickens. What sound does a chicken make? Bawk, 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 bawk. They strut around and they have red combs on their heads. Can you point to your head? Right, there you go. Ooh, a turkey shows off his feathers and his tail looks like a fan. Does anybody know the sound that a turkey makes? Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, soft woolly sheep gather in a flock. They like to stick together. What sound does sheep make? Baa, baa, baa. Oh, my favorites, the pigs. Pigs are sleeping in the barn and sometimes they snore. Does anybody snore in your house? The daddy in my house snores. Is that what happens at your house? What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink, oink. Oh, what do farm animals do? They play and run and sleep, just like you. The end. I love the farm, so cute. All right, let's sing one of our favorite songs, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Are we ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job, everybody. All right, let's do our alphabet song. Get your fingers ready. You can do the sign language along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Oh, so good, everybody. All right, so today is the first day of spring, so I thought we would read this book called Mouse Loves Spring. Does anybody know what sound a mouse makes? Squeak, squeak, squeak. You're right. One windy spring day. What does the wind sound like? One windy spring day, Mouse and Mama go out to play. There's Mouse and there's her mama. Mouse sees something flittery. What is it? Does anybody know what this is? You're right, a butterfly. A butterfly, says Mama. The wind blows, whoosh, and the butterfly flutters away. Mouse sees something slimy. What is it? Does anybody know what this is? It's a snail, says Mama. Snails move very, very slow. The wind blows, whoosh, and the snail hides away. Mouse sees something feathery. Oh, what is it? It's a bird, says Mama. And what sound does a bird make? Tweet, tweet, tweet. The wind blows, whoosh, and the bird swoops away. Mouse sees something hoppy. What is it? Oh, we know this is a frog, right? What sound does a frog make? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And the wind blows, whoosh, and the frog swims away. Mouse sees something squiggly. Now, what is this? It looks like it could be a snake, but I think it's actually a worm, says Mama. Can you take your finger and make it like a worm, like an inchworm? The wind blows. What sound does the wind make? Whoosh. Good job. And the worm wiggles away. Mouse sees something petally. What is it? Who knows what this is? You're right, it's a flower, says Mama. And the wind blows, whoosh, and it's Mouse that tumbles away. Wow, that's some strong wind. Mouse feels something warm and cuddly. What is it? It looks like it might be. Oh, a hug and a smooch and a kiss from Mama. I love you, says Mama. And Mouse and Mama love spring. The end. Good job, everybody. All right, let's sing a song about some birds that we like here at the story time. Are we ready? Get your fingers ready. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud, one named Quiet and one named Loud. Fly away, Quiet. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Quiet. Come back, Loud. Favorite line, two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Let's do that last one more time. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Good job, everybody. All right, I think we have time for one more book. This is called Sheep Wants to Jump, and it's a pop-up book, which you know I love. So, in the fields, the farm friends leap. I want to jump like you, says Sheep. And look, there's the kitty cats. What sound does a kitty cat make? Meow, meow. Sheep's best friend, the butterfly, says, don't be scared, just jump up high. Frog says, watch me jump this puddle. Ribbit, poor old sheep, still in a muddle. Bah. I think he's afraid to jump. Horse leaps high in one huge bound. Come on, sheep, jump off the ground. As his friends look from below, Sheep decides to have a go. Hooray, hooray! There he is, he's jumping. After his great jumping day, tired Sheep dreams the night away. Jumping takes a lot of energy. It's time for his nap. The end. Good job. All right, so let's do some counting. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go right back down again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, one more song because I'm a little hungry after story time. Are we ready? Pop, 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 put the corn in the pot. Pop, 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 shake it till it's hot. Pop, 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 take the lid off the pot. And what have you got? Popcorn! Let's do that one more time. Pop, 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 put the corn in the pot. Pop, 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 shake it till it's hot. Pop, 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 take the lid off the pot. And what have you got? Popcorn! All right, everybody, thank you.